Welcome to the second edition of Outlook Planet C3. The theme for this year's edition, Empowering India's Green Economy in a VUCA World, reflects what it takes to make a business run in a very uncertain times. The term VUCA, many of you may know, which means volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity, was coined in the war era of 1980s by the US Army War College. And this was the post-Cold War years, and this was used to describe the chaotic multilateral world. As the term VUCA traversed from war rooms to the management boardrooms and management syllabus, the corporate there were solutions which was offered by the corporates. And in an uncertain environment, the business leaders countered volatility with long-term vision, uncertainty with better understanding of the situation, complexity by the clarity in communication, and ambiguity with adaptability and agility. And these are the same qualities which are going to serve today's business leaders who face uncertain times in a war which is actually sapping the supply chain and the energy lines of the whole world economy. In the post-COVID years, the global climate narrative has actually shifted from ambition to action and execution. The spotlight is now on solutions and on innovative and scalable solutions. At Outlook Planet C3, we have captured this transition, an environment where ESG becomes a factor, enters the business models. We focus on 5 verticals which are driving India's circular economy. These are water, textile, mobility, community, and sustainable finance. We explore the role of technology in building India's agri and climate tech ecosystems. In course of this rather packed day, we have business leaders, policymakers, and practitioners sharing with their experiences and takeaways from the transition journey. There are deep dives and fireside conversations that help unpack the practical issues and challenges. Also, there are breakout sessions, which call the Idea Exchange Forum, which give stakeholders the space to huddle around deliberate sector-specific issues. Outlook Planet C3 is also a platform to recognize and celebrate organizations which are leading the way in sustainable practices. Thanks once again for making this happen.